everybody, it's time for ice cream. Today we're at Birchwood Dairy on day 28 of our 30 faves in 30 days. I'm David Corey with local Abbotsford Eats and Remax Little Oak Realty, and we're at the most fantastic place for ice cream in Abbotsford. There's tons of flavors here at Birchwood, plus they have sandwiches, cheeses, just a lot of good food here. And if you're in the mood for a drive in the country, I recommend you come out to Birchwood Dairy. We often have our client parties here. We do an annual ice cream social most years, not during COVID-19 of course, but they're still open, and I recommend if you're in the mood for a cone to come out to Birchwood Dairy.